Hello guys, welcome to Daily Current Affairs series. Today we will discuss about 16th August current affairs. Myself Sunny Sandeep. Welcome to our channel Gear Up for Group 1 exam. Let us discuss the today's important current affairs. The first one, National Digital Health Mission, that is NDHM. This National Digital Health Mission was launched by our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji in our yesterday's Independence Day speech. In that speech, he is insisting that he is telling that National Digital Health Mission should be there. Why? Because every Indian will have an Aadhaar like ID card. It contains all relevant information about his or her medical conditions and treatment and tests. Here, suppose I am the one person. Suppose I am suffering with some other diseases from my childhood. Suppose if I monitor that diseases or any treatments, suppose if I have met with any accidents, in that accident I have taken some that reports, in that scanning also, there that scanning reports and treatment and tests, and if suppose I have any diseases like other BP, sugar, anything like hypertension or like hepatitis, if anything suppose I am having, if suppose I have stored like in any card, ID card, then if I that ID card having chip, suppose after some 10 years, after some 15 years I got some with affected with some any different type of disease, then that previous data it will useful for my present prescription or any now present required data required. It will help in that present cure. Here if you see that, that's why our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji is giving importance to this National Digital Health Mission to provide a timely and efficient access to inclusive, affordable and safe healthcare to all citizens. Here in my point of view, another point is also is there, that is insurance scheme. If you see the Taiwan country, that means in that country almost 90% people have the insurance coverage, life insurance coverage. That means suppose if any person died in that country, that that family or that nominee will get the coverage or any life insurance coverage or health coverage also is there. That's why like that, if you see that if you compare to Taiwan population, our India population is more than 100 times, but in my point of view, other than if you have to maintain our data, at the same time we have to give importance to the insurance coverage also, then only we can fight or we can sustain for any health related issue. And in another point, that is also here our India has to improve the primary healthcare centers like Kerala. If you take an example of Kerala, in that state there is a ground level, that is a primary healthcare system is very good. That's why if you follow our Kerala model, then we can achieve any problem or any health related issues, we can fight against that easily also. That's why here in this article we have to know that first one, health data and storage data we have to store, and next one insurance policy, and third one ground level healthcare, primary healthcare should be there. Here this initiative, which is completely technology based, it will revolutionize the health sector in India. Here from this article we have to know that we have to concentrate on first data storage of these health conditions of person and insurance and healthcare system, that is primary healthcare system. Next one, ATL, that is Atal Tinkering Lab Artificial Intelligence Step Up Module. If you see that there is a collaboration between Atal Innovation Mission, that is AIM, and Niti Aayog. These two in collaboration with the NASACOM have launched ATL, Atal Tinkering Lab Artificial Intelligence Step Up Module for students. If you see that there is a Atal Innovation Mission, in that every reputed school or every recognized school is getting Atal Tinkering Lab, that is ATL grant. In that ATL suppose there is a different types of modules are there. Previous we have seen that there is a online training, online classes. If suppose next today we will see, we are seeing that another concept is, that is artificial intelligence. If you suppose in school system only, if you introduce artificial intelligence, then students will know about more about the technology base and artificial intelligence base. Suppose in this situation, I will give one some example. In my BTech project, my friends and myself are going to implement a touch free doors. That means whenever we enter for any stadium or any auditorium or any restaurant, there we have to remove, or we have there is no need of touching of that doors. That means if you see that now COVID-19 situation, touching is not the important. Touching we have to eliminate. Why? Because there may be a virus on that surfaces also. That's why if you improve, or if you see the improvement of this artificial intelligence, that it in this 21st century, artificial intelligence plays a crucial role. That's why we have to give importance to the artificial intelligence also. With that, Atal Innovation Mission and Niti Aayog in collaboration with NASSCOM has launched a AI step up module for students. With this new launch, through that hands-on projects and activities should be there. The step up module needs to be no need previous knowledge, and introduce the concepts of students from the basic using interactive tools. That means artificial intelligence is a graduation level subject. If you introduce this in a school system, then how that students will understand this artificial intelligence. That's why with interactive tools and technology based system, if you introduce our technology interactive tools, then that students also easily will learn, and at the same time they will also try to understand the concept of artificial intelligence. That's why ATL, that is Atal Innovation Mission and Niti Aayog has giving importance to this artificial intelligence. Next one, government may review the age of marriage set by Pradhan Mantri, that is Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. Here, why we have to increase the age of marriage? Suppose now present age is for girls 18 years and for boys 21 years is there. If you increase that age of woman or a girl from 18 to some 21 age, if you see that there is a problem in nutrition problem in women's. Why? Because if you see the health report of our India, almost some 20 most of the percentage of people, or most of the percentage of this women are suffering from malnutrition. That's why if you increase the age of this women or marriage age, then they can sustain. But giving a birth is a very tough task. That means it is like a rebirth. That's why if suppose that lady or a girl or a woman is increased some age 18 to 21, here we have to go with the legality. That means legal action is there. Suppose we have seen that child marriages are there. There is also a provision of Child Marriage Act, that's a need of legal action should be there. Then only we will achieve this to decrease the malnutrition problem in among women, and at the same time to increase the nutrition level. Here there is a 10-member panel headed by Jaya Jaitly. That lady, that 10-member panel will see the what are the should be there, how we can increase the age of marriage, like what are the problems related to this malnutrition problem. Here if you see the problems of this is stunning in children. If you see that, what is the meaning of stunning means is low birth or low weight to the particular age is known as stunting. Here another some reasons are also there. They are lower education among teenage mothers and their poor economic status also is there. Here if you see the what is the way forward for this one, that is increasing age at first marriage, age at first birth, and girls education are promising approach to also improve the maternal and child nutrition for this problem. Next one, Sarabhai crater. ISRO, that is Indian Space Research Organization, paid tribute to the Dr. Vikram Sarabhai. He is known as the father of Indian space program. Here, Chandrayaan-2 orbiter has captured the moon images of Sarabhai crater. Here, if you see that about crater, to the 300 km east of this crater lie in the landing sites of American Apollo 17 and Soviet launched Luna 21 missions. With this, we can conclude our video. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Gear up for Group 1 exam. This is Sunny Sandeep signing out. Take care and bye bye.